This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on your Robinhood account. Follow these steps carefully to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or log into your account on the website. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app for optimal performance. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. Look for the settings option to proceed. Step 3. Find restrictions settings. Within the account settings menu, scroll down to find the section related to restrictions or trading limits. This area will provide options for managing your trading capabilities. Step 4. Disable automatic restrictions. Once you locate the restrictions settings, look for an option that allows you to disable automatic restrictions. Toggle the setting off to prevent future automatic limitations on your trading activities. Step 5. Confirm changes. After adjusting the settings, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation prompt. Follow any additional instructions to finalize the process. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your Robinhood account. Always remember to review your account settings regularly to ensure they align with your trading preferences.